Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to create a link on Google Drive in 2025. If you're tired of emailing large files or dealing with complicated sharing methods, this simple trick will save you time and hassle. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing files, Google Drive's link sharing feature is a must-know. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Drive open. It's that familiar blue folder icon, easy to spot. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Click on it to select it. This is your starting point. Next, right-click on the selected item. From the drop-down menu, choose Share. This will open a new window with sharing options. Now, look for the Get Link button. Click it to generate a shareable link. Google Drive might prompt you to set permissions, like who can view, edit, or comment on the file. For safety, I recommend starting with anyone with the link if you want broad access, but always adjust based on your needs to keep things secure. After that, customize the link if needed. You can set an expiration date or restrict access further. It's all about controlling your content. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Copy Link to add it to your clipboard. Now, paste that link into an email, a message, or even a social media post, and you're done. There you have it, a straightforward way to create and share links on Google Drive in 2025. This method works great for collaboration and keeps your files organized. If you run into any issues, double-check your account settings or try it on a different browser. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.